That made a difference, man. Think that made a difference?
Oh, yeah.
He said, oh, yeah. I need to clean this thing up, though. I tell you that much, but. Oh, barely cleared that shit. Damn, though. Ooh, ooh. Dirty, but she sounded good though. Listen to that thing roar. What it do? Just got these damn mufflers deleted. I'm gonna let y'all hear this thing real quick. I'm gonna play, and in the background, well, I'm talking about playing in the background. Right now I'm playing no damn thing in no background, but I just got these things deleted. So I'm gonna show you, let you hear it. Tell me what you think, you know what I mean? It's an RT, you know what I'm saying? There ain't no Hellcat, ain't no Scat Pack and none of that good stuff. Ain't no Daytona SRT. But I got mine deleted on this RT. So I'm gonna go ahead and hold it out the window and see if I can get y'all to hear it. If you can hear it a little bit. Let me see here. I'll take off real quick. One good hit. I know y'all do. Listen. A little something for the people that's wondering. Just a little something. My man's Chuck in the back. We stay together. You heard me? Me and my man's. We always kicking it. But y'all don't know nothing about that. Y'all ain't got no homeboys that y'all just ride around with. Y'all people be talking y'all to death. But yeah, me and my man's, we chilling. We kicking. So, without further ado, you know that about it, man. I ain't got nothing to talk about, man. Stay ready. You ain't got to get rid of this. Your boy. Him too. Wait, we gonna stay ready. All 2020, we going up now. We ain't done. We just getting started. So, for all the people that done subscribed, all the people that stuck with me, I know I've been out the loop for a minute. But some things I had to do to be doing what I got to do to get to where I got to get to. You heard what I'm saying? I think you understand what I'm saying. So all this is together, you know what I'm saying? We doing wave videos, we doing car videos, but you'll know the difference in the thumbnail. You heard? So let's do this. Stay up. 2020. Make it everybody year. Let's do it. It's your boy, and I'm out. Him too wave. Stay ready. You ain't got to get ready.